What should I do?
So what should I do?
So what should we do?
What should we do today?
I'm bored. What should we do?
What do you reckon we should do with them?
What should we do? You want me to take my pants off?
Oh, Mr. Peabody, what should I do? What should I do?
Tell me what's going on. What should I do? Give me a signal.
Hey, Mr. Stark, what should I do?
What we discussed, keep your distance, web them up.
Okay, copy that.
Some guy. What should I do?
Kill him.
What should I do?
You know what's going on?
I don't know.
What should I do? I could partner you up with Gunther.
We almost had a riot. What should we do?
Give them more.
Something is definitely going on.
She's never acted like this before. What should we do? We're gonna find out what's happening.
What should I do about that?
Learn to live with it.
It's not my style.
What should we do?
We can't go back. We have to do what's best for Edward and for Narnia.
We need never ask, Lord, what should I do? Because the Lord has told us what to do.
They're coming! What should we do?
Everybody hide!
Oh, God. Okay, that reminds me. What should I do about Kostos? What do you mean? You know, if I see him, what do I say?
The lights are out. The whole town is freaking out. What should I do?
Okay, relax. Take a deep breath, call Gil, see if they can locate the down line. Then